Me know it. Jesus Christ. How a booger come from in my nose? Yeah. But check up on me. Yeah. Yeah, bro. I'm always telling him, dog. Me love everybody who do stuff for Swiss League. Every team blessed member who do stuff for Swiss League. Me appreciate you know, because when you do something for somebody where we love. You know what I mean? We can't hate upon that. We love a person, so we want a person to flourish. We want them to have things too. When you love somebody, the same thing when you want for yourself, you're going to want for them too. So everybody who we support Swiss League, we in a team bless, bro, me respect you know. Yes, me cuss you off already. Yes, I did. Yes, I cuss you off already. Yes, I did. More than one time, yes, I did. But, blessed Miss Griffin. But, I want to make you know, say, big up on yourself. You know? Big up on yourself. Right? Any idea? Big up on yourself. Dawg. Me have a Chevy, Dawg have a SK. I am proud when I see Swiss League because he's my son. You know what I mean? I'm proud of him. Do what you do. Do what you do, bro. You know? Don't make nobody come between me and your dog or nobody feel like, bro, because me have a bigger vision than this, dog. Remember, you know, bro. All when we are 40, you know, we're going to do this. But one time we are 40, we're going to just have security guard and big house. And then have to prepare a stage and them thing there because we're going big. We're going bigger than our big. You think we are going to stop this for now? You think this is where it stopped? Right now, it just start. For we, bro. So don't feel like where we there right now, we are going to drop back now. A real people them going to surround me and show we some different type of love. And the work where we are putting, now watch the argument them run the work. Or we look to fight them where we put on tree work. Yeah, bigger people are see it and they say, oh, them are youth have ambition same way, you know. And people are trouble them. You understand? And bro, I can tell you this, bro. Bro, you see, the way I see up run, views are mislead make everything start happen. Views are mislead. Views are mislead make everything start happen. Everybody over here could have their own powerful team. Everybody over here could have their own corner and stuff. But me show you something. A man don't want to see a man get 4 lions today and him get 1. A man don't want to see you get 20 lions today and him get 2. Everybody want 20 lions. So first all corruption start on this happen, it start from gifters. By you corrupt him going to my gifter box and you going to corrupt him and going to my gifter inbox and you will do this and you will do that. And you will do this and you will do that. I saw it all started. So you know start by me and you have a problem. You start by you a try box food out of my mouth because you want what me have. But any idea you now work. You now put in the work to get 4 lions. You now put in the work to get 5 lions. You just sit down for your life more and say, you know, say, them boy they are batty boy wind up. But you still say me a batty boy about me lion too. You bad mind about me wine, but you know bad mind about the lion. You see it where it come from? People not really when I show you them legit facts, you know, bro. People now gonna show you how we are powerful. This app is so powerful. Till when it's so comfortable. Where did it get so comfortable? It's because of money it gets so comfortable. I think woman and fitness off limit for everything. Not bringing up my story, but showing you how the app is powerful and money and gift is so powerful. Kids and woman is off limit. We don't think about kill pitney and kill woman. But the app is so powerful over gift. And people who are sending gift is so powerful that they're not busy about nobody but the gift. But just I tell you now. The app is so powerful. So if the app powerful so for earth a baby, what you think this app can bring forward? Look, when me say me I go buy my Corvette, for example, I said I was gonna buy my Corvette. And I come on the live every single day. Even when me now get nothing, I make $300 and I work it to put towards my vehicle. Enough people feel like them because views there and everything there, they enough for work because they're big now. You know, big now, so I don't feel like say, alright, I have to put in enough work or I don't feel like it. Bro, I don't understand saying that, bro. Enough of you abuse people over here, dog. And me not think uno wants the people flourish over here like our people that really want to see uno flourish, bro. Uno literally take your views and wanna have and turn against people. Uno literally take your views and wanna have and build against and build things against answer people. You know? Uno focus in a so much negative. Fran me a Swissley, Able Boss, Lando, and everybody come together and help that little youth to go to Cuba. From that, which team we never see come together and put together and help nobody again. They not come, they might flourish and they not come to give back nothing. Look, look. None no use the platform where they have to help back nobody. They use a platform to bring down people. None of them no use the platform where they get for positivity and say, oh, you know, we're going to lift up somebody. They only do it for bring down people. Bring them down to the ground. To right to the fucking ground. I'm sure you something again, bro. It's all because them want to say them a part of something. You think them are people here? When me see super live when nobody don't know them, I bring down some people. Why you are bring me down? Where did I know you from? How do you know me? You brought me off the internet. So all you are bring me down over here for, with me and my family, is for views. You don't know me. Me not talk. I don't know you. You sit down for my name. But I used to get mad. But I any idea, me understand, say me go no things for talk. I am the star. I am the man. So I'm going to have my name in our no mouth, no matter what. No matter what. And you sit down and ready. You can't own car. You can't own whatever you want to own. But guess what? You so focus for in a negative so much, bro. So fucking much. That's every day you make 500. That's 182,000 for the fucking year. And how much you gonna pay working our bills? 80? 70? Now you have 100 to save. Let me teach you something. So when time when you see people out here hustle, people really calculate their day and come in and put in fucking work. So imagine if you make $1,000 fucking day. $1,000 a day. That's 365,000 for the fucking year. So when you sit down and over here and pray on the negative side, more than when you sit down on the man who want to say, this a man a fall off. But this a man a do this. And this a man a drop. You only have views. And what you do with the views? Nothing. No fucking thing. And believe me and swear to God, I wouldn't have said nothing to you, shit pit, if you never involved me woman and woman in it. Because me watch you for months. So me would have said nothing to Uno unless Uno did unless Uno call me woman name. Because me watch you sink on yourself while me over here I win. When people say me fall off, me I win triple time more than Uno. Triple fucking time more than Uno. Triple time. Believe me. Me I win more than Uno on this app. So one time when you hear Uno say fall off on this and that, me not really about that. Because Uno only do it for views. And not for Uno only have views and can't really maintain on the lifestyle. But I any idea me just a show no, bro. You see me? Yeah, dog. I just live me a show no, bro. We don't have to do it. You know, see, bad man want to do TikTok now. How bad man want to do TikTok now? Be a bad man. You see, bad man want to do TikTok now. We levels, bro. I'm here now. You see me? Yeah. But you don't have to just sit to yourself, bro. I know say your dog, you know? People guys say what they want to say, I talk what they want to talk before. People do things to be seen. I don't want nobody give me nothing to be seen. What you give me from my heart. People give to be seen. And enough of them are do it because they want to be seen. Seen. For example, there is no way I'm gonna in a box with someone that's richer than me and I send gift more than that person to get views or like or 50 knowings. You're fucking bright. From me reaching that box, me win. Cause me start ask for things and better my life. Me ask for things, can I get something to better my life? Me don't want a lion can't run out. Cause TikTok will give me $100 when he sell the lion now. The lion, more you give me something when I can set up boom and have an income off of this every single month. You know if you hustle. Me a hustler. Me turn 5 bills right now in a 20,000. Ask about me. Yeah. So you know what me say? Yeah. Let me say. Black brothers. When you talk about unafraid. When you talk about unafraid. Don't be afraid, dog. Get happy for everybody. Don't make nobody bully no and fight up. Nobody can bully no and fight up. You have to embrace yourself and know what you want in life. If you're out there say you sell candy and them a bully you, if you stop sell candy out there so, or you're going to go on with money. You have to firm and stand up on your foot and stop make people bully you. You see, same thing where people can do, you can do. Probably you don't have the art there, but remember me tell you can do it too. It's same like oh then do what them a do, you can do it too. Probably you don't have the art there. Stop make people feel like they can bully you from nowhere, bro. You have to stay up on your grind. And yes, so better your family. And yes, so better your life. Stop act like you don't want people bully you. Stop it. You don't work for one fucking one. So if you don't have to come here so every day and you can make one bill on TikTok. Stop make people bully you, bro. Because there is people out here really want to help people and support people. So stop make them bully you on the app, bro. Turn on your life. Turn on your life. Play a little music. Build your team. Build your audience. You know, go come in a 1 week or 2 months, you know. But if you do it every fucking day, you can build a team. You can build an audience. One day your life can left from 10,000. One day your life can left from 10 people. 20 people. If 20 people become 40. If 40 become 80. If 80 become 120. If 120 become 160. Now you have 200 people for your life. And grow. Consistency is the key, bro. A key. So that you don't put no money in a nobody pocket. You don't have a 95 where you clock in. So everything, only thing where you come here so can do, and put a smile on the people them face. Don't make nobody bully you from doing what you want to do, bro. Don't make nobody do it. Come because there is people on the app where really care for people. And let me tell you this, dog. Even if I $20 for a day, you know, say, I want to make 20,000, you don't put no money in nobody blood clot pocket. If you come this week, you say, you know, say, people, my team, you know, say, I go rank for podium. You tell your team, I go rank for podium. You know, say, I go over here, so I go rank the day, you tell your team. Don't come over here, so can talk about, you know, say, I want 25,000 today if you go buy one beast tomorrow. No, you don't put nothing in nobody pocket. So you come today, you hustle. Enough time I bex with ex-can and they don't give me nothing, you know. But sometimes I say they give me. But I idea my customer and go and I feel away. I say, I don't give them nothing to put on. But if they give me. But I just love it alone. But you don't put nothing in nobody's pocket. So any idea you have to just work with it. You see me? And me now go come to you and say, you know, say, send the live to Ivani team. Send the live to Team Bless. Send the live to Six. Send the live to Give Me Money team. Send the live to that. You never hear me say that. A TX gang me ask. Because at them I'm a family. Them I'm a family. You ever chat too much because I now give your mother no blood clot money for feed you. You're a big man, come out of your house. That's why I tap come out your mama yard. Because every time I come out your mama yard and give your mama tip, your crowd going on my blood clot pants pocket, go take out my money. And why you pick my pocket at night time when I come out your mama yard for drunk crow? That's why your mama suffer now. Because I tap come out they come pay on the rent. You no block it already. Every time I drop asleep over your mama yard, you crawl on my bed like go rob me. Those are sure no. Don't make nobody count it down, bro. Do what you have to do, bro. A win is a win. Stop making people count it down. And slime up. Our slime. Me hear you say yesterday, say, me don't want you to come for me. Beg you, please, come for me. Do come for me. Me I beg you, come for me. Please, me I ask you, come for me. If me never want nobody, come for me. You said for your life yesterday, come see for a screen record. You said, hero, you don't want me if it's come for you. Or you don't want me if it's start for you. Please, me I beg you, start for me. Please, do. Me I beg you, start for me. Do. Please. Please! Please, I'm asking you. Start for me. Me beg you. I beg you. Start for me. No, that's why I try to show you. Start for me. Because I love pick up things from the head. Start. I thank you. Bye. I tell you, you know, it all drunko is back. As you pitch me, the drunko is back. So me say drunko you know what? So the dog is back. So as you pitch